अब मैं किसी का नाम लूंगी, उसको बोलना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ वो बच्चा बोलेगा, कोई और नहीं बोलेगा, ठीक है? क्लियर है? ओके, वेरी गुड। मिहिर, आपकी बारी सबसे पहले। मिहिर, द फर्स्ट वर्ड, योर जूम वर्ड इज कॉल्ड स्टार। हाँ? Very good. Adya, the first Zoom word for you is called, it is holiday.
Summer holiday.
Summer holidays, yes. Okay, Amash and Aliza, your first word, Zoom word is, let me think, school. What word comes to your mind when I say school?
Studies.
Studies. Oh, okay. Right. Bharti, first word that comes to your mind when I say home, house. Yes. Broom. Who said room?
Broom.
Yes, very good. Room. We have rooms in our house. Yes. Durga, first Zoom word for you is, when I say the word, let's say when I say freedom, what word comes to your mind when I say freedom? When I say the word freedom. Now anybody can raise their hands and say, okay? Whoever wants to give answer can raise their hand and I will ask them. What word comes to your mind when I say Independence Day? Raise your hand first. Yes, then I ask.
Ma'am?
Adya.
Flag hoisting. Flag hoisting.
Flag hoisting. Very good. Adya.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Right. Yes, Mihir. Huh? Can you say that again? Yes, Happy Independence Day is what we say, right? Priyanshi, what is the word that comes?
Freedom.
Freedom, absolutely. Who will tell me? Pinjra, ya cage? Yes, Adya.
Animals.
Animals. Animals cage, very good. Mihir. Louder.
Bad people.
Hmm?
Bad people.
Bad people. The word that comes to your mind when I say the word bird. Bird. You all know bird? जब मैं बोलती हूँ bird, पक्षी. What word comes to your mind? Raise your hand and tell me. भारती. Yes. बहुत सारे words हैं वहाँ पे तो.
Fly.
Fly. और कौन कौन से words हैं?
Hello.
हाँ, I can hear.
दीदी मैं बताऊँ?
Nest. हाँ जी, बोलो.
Prisoner.
हाँ, प्रियांशी फिर से बोलो.
Prisoner.
Prisoner. Okay. मिहिर, आप बताओ. Peacock. Yes. Very good. तो अभी जो हम स्टोरी जो सुनने वाले हैं अभी भी, the story that we are all going to hear right now is related to the Zoom game that you all played. इस Zoom game में मैं कौन कौन से वर्ड्स बोल रही थी? कभी बर्ड बोल रही थी, कभी केज बोल रही थी, कभी फ्रीडम बोल रही थी, कभी इंडिपेंडेंस डे बोल रही थी. तो अभी जो हम स्टोरी सुनने वाले हैं उसका नाम किसी को याद है? बहुत लंबा चौड़ा एक नाम है. किसको याद है? Yanshi remembers.
Joy Town.
Very good. The Free Birds of Joy Town. Okay, so now we are going to listen to a story from Priya Didi, and she's going to tell you a very interesting story about somebody याद है आपको स्टोरी में कौन है? देयर इज अ क्रो कॉल्ड काका. काका द क्रो.
So let me take everyone to this amazing forest. Abhi, what do you see in a forest? Write in the chat box and tell me what all do you see in the forest? You see tall trees, lot of wild animals, lakes, ponds, leaves, too many things in the forest. But now, in this forest, let me take you to this tree which had a bird. उस ट्री पे एक बर्ड थी जो बोल रही थी का का. Do you want to guess which bird is this? कौन सी बर्ड है ये?
Crow.
Yes, Kaka the crow. He was sitting on that tree, but he was not happy. He was really sad. How do you make a sad face? Come on, show me your sad faces. He was really sad. So now, he was sad because he thought that I'm so black. God forgot to give me colors. Why did God forget to give me colors? He kept telling himself, I'm not the happiest bird. I don't have any colors. I'm so black. God forgot to give me colors. Nobody wants to play with me. They just shoo me away. And he was really upset. Now tell me, who do you think is the happiest bird? If Kaka the crow is not the happiest bird, then who's the happiest bird? Write in the chat box and tell me, who do you think is the happiest bird ever? Come on, think and tell me. Anyone? Yes, Pooja? Pooja's device? Peacock, maybe?
Peacock.
Okay, Mihir? Who's the happiest bird? Durga also says peacock. Any other? Mihir, what do you think?
Ma'am, it is cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Maybe.
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Yes, there are so many birds, but this Kaka the crow was not happy. He said, I need to find out who's the happiest bird. So he decided to fly around and see who's the happiest bird. So he decided to fly around that forest and figure out who's the happiest bird. He flew around the forest and by mistake, when he was flying, he entered a cave, एक गुफा के अंदर घुस गया. And in that cave, he saw a beautiful. Which bird is this? Which bird is this? Which bird is this?
Swan. Swan.
Yes. Sally the swan. She just turned her neck towards Kaka and Kaka was like, oh my god, she is so pretty, so white. I'm sure she is the happiest bird. And she kept looking at Kaka with her nice little beak towards him. So Kaka asked, okay, Priyanshi, can you hear me? Just show a thumbs up if you can. Okay. So Kaka asked, hey Swan, are you the happiest bird? Swan said, what? You think I'm the happiest bird? And why? Because you're so pretty, you're so white, so beautiful. I'm sure you're the happiest bird. No, Kaka. Look at me. I'm stuck here in this cave. I cannot see the bright sun. I cannot go out in the water. They have put me in this artificial lake for people to come and see me. I'm not happy. I want to go out. I want to see the sun. I want to walk in the water. I want to have fun. I'm not happy. Now this Sally the swan was also not happy. Now just imagine, now this swan is also not happy. Who is the happiest bird? Come on, help me. Who do we go and ask? Who's the happiest bird? Any suggestion? Maybe peacock or sparrow or cuckoo like how you all said before? Yes?
Sparrow.
Kaka the crow was confused. How do you get confused? Show me your confused face. How do you get confused? Yes, Durga is really confused right now. Yes, and so is Mihir. So really confused. Kaka said, "Okay, Sally, you only tell me who's the happiest bird if you're not happy." So Sally said, "Hey, Kaka, of course it has to be Polly the parrot. There lives a parrot. There is a parrot here right next to our cave. And I'm sure he's the happiest bird because he's so green, so red, and he can also talk like humans. Have you ever seen a parrot talking like us? Have you ever heard of parrot जो हमारे जैसे ही बोलता है? कभी सुना है parrot को बोलते हुए? So Sally thought that maybe that Polly the parrot is the happiest bird because it is so bright green. And parrot की beak का क्या color है? What color beak of the parrot? Anyone? Write in the chat box and tell me. Red. Yes. Of course, it has to be the parrot. It is so green, so red, and it can also talk like humans. I'm sure it's the happiest bird. Kaka said, "Oh yes, I think you're saying something which makes sense to me. So I think I should fly to Polly the parrot and find out if Polly is the happiest bird." Do you think Polly is the happiest bird? If you think yes, just show a thumbs up. If you think no, then just show a thumbs down. Do you think Polly the parrot is the happiest bird? Okay, Adya think it is not the happiest bird. Priyanshi is confused. Maybe, maybe not. Me thinks no. Okay, let's find out. So, Kaka flew around the forest to find out where Polly was, and finally it saw Polly in a small cage, and it looked so beautiful inside the cage. The cage was golden in color and Polly was bright green, popping out and talking exactly like the humans sitting there. Kaka thought, of course, Polly the parrot is the happiest bird. Let me find out. So he went next to Polly and asked her, "Hey Polly, I have a question for you." "Yes, Kaka. Tell me what is your question. I am tired." "What happens when you're tired? Show me how you get tired." "Oh, too much work now from morning to evening. Feeling sleepy." So Kaka said, "Hey, are you the happiest bird?" So do you think Polly is the happiest bird? Yes? No? No? Let's find out. Polly said, "And why do you think I'm the happiest bird?" "Hey, look at you! I just heard you say like that man. Wow! You have some amazing powers. You can just repeat like us. You're bright green, red. Of course, you're the happiest bird." Polly said, "No. Do you even know what happened to me? That fortune teller, he clipped my wings away. He put me in this cage. And you think I'm the happiest bird? I'm stuck here. Everyone wants to take me home. They want to keep me in a cage. They don't let me be. They don't let me fly. And you think I'm the happiest bird? I can talk like humans, so they want me next to them. I'm not happy." Oh my God. I was like, oh God, even you're not happy? Then who is the happiest bird? Where do I go? Nobody's happy here. Kaka was shocked. How do you make a shocking face? Yes, Durga. That's right, you look shocked. So Kaka decided to ask him, "Hey Polly, you only tell me who's the happiest bird, now I'm tired." So Polly said, "Of course it has to be the peacock. Have you ever seen a peacock? It is so beautiful, so colorful. And have you ever seen him dance? I'm sure the peacock is the happiest bird." Do you all agree with Polly? Do you think peacock is the happiest bird? Yes, maybe, no. No, Meer thinks no. Adya also thinks no. Okay, Madhav thinks yes. Priyanshi is maybe. Durga, what do you think? Okay, these boys are saying no. I think most of you think peacock is also not the happiest bird. Let's find out. So, Kaka the crow flew around the forest to find out where Pushkar the peacock was. And he flew and he flew and he flew and he flew and he flew. And while he was flying, you know what he saw? This amazing peacock just opened its wings and started dancing. Oh my God! Kaka said, "Wow, so beautiful! I've never seen a more beautiful peacock ever. Oh my God, it has to be the happiest bird." And this peacock kept dancing. You like peacocks, everyone? You like them? Yes or no? Yes? So this Pushkar the peacock was so beautiful, dancing around, and Kaka kept looking at him. Wow, such a beautiful peacock. I am sure it is the happiest bird. He went next to the peacock and he decided to ask the peacock, "Hey Pushkar, are you the happiest bird?" So Pushkar turned and said, "Hey Kaka, why do you think I am the happiest bird? Look at you, you're so beautiful. Look at your wings, your feathers, your dance. I'm sure people go crazy looking at you." Kaka, can you hear that sound? Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Kaka looked around. Where's this sound coming from? He looked everywhere. He could not see anyone. Hey, what is this sound all about, Pushkar? My feathers. They want to use my beautiful feathers. They want to use my body. And you think I'm the happiest bird? I'm not happy. Now tell me, have you ever seen a peacock feather? Do you know where all you use the peacock feather in? Yes? Write in the chat box if you can. Priyanshi, write it down. Where else do you see a peacock feather? Anyone? You want to write in the chat box or say? You can raise your hand, I'll unmute you maybe. Anyone? Peacock का feather कहीं देखा है? Maybe कृष्ण भगवान के मुकुट में?
Yes,
पेज में जब लोग लिखते थे, मैंने तो ये भी सुना है कि लोग अपने घर में लगाते हैं छिपकलियों को भगाने के लिए. आपने सुना है ऐसा कुछ? Yes. Pushkar the peacock said, "I am not happy. I'm so beautiful, so people just want to see me. They don't let me be. They take my feathers away. They take everything away. They don't let me dance also. I'm not happy." Kaka was totally shocked. Oh my God, even peacock is not the happiest bird. Who is the happiest bird then? I went to Sally the swan. It said no, it's not happy. I went to Polly the parrot. Even Polly is not happy. I went to Pushkar, the peacock. Even that is not happy. And even I'm not happy. Then who is the happiest bird? Oh God, he kept thinking and thinking and thinking. Tell me one thing. Why are these birds not happy? What happened? Why are these birds not happy right now? क्यों नहीं खुश हैं ये लोग? हाँ प्रियांशी? Unmute.
because we didn't freedom मिल रही.
फ्रीडम नहीं मिल रही. सब फंसे हुए हैं कहीं ना कहीं.
They are not free.
Because they are not free. Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Mihir?
They don't like that what is happening with them.
They don't like what is happening with them. So many times something happened with us also and we don't like it. Oh my God, why did the ma'am give us so much homework? Oh my God, we can't go out of our house. Oh my God, my friends are not free. How will I play? So many things happen with us also and you're not happy that time, right? Sometimes it happens with us. Sometimes. Yes? Maybe? No? Yes or no? No? Meher is always happy. Very good, Meher. Okay. So, Kaka the crow thought, nobody is happy. Sally is stuck inside that cave. It wants to come out and see the bright sun. I'm stuck here because people don't like me. Polly is stuck in that cage. Pushkar is stuck there because hunters want its feathers. Nobody is happy. This is not a good place to live. It's a gloomy town. We don't want to stay in this gloomy town. Do you like to be sad? Do you think the birds like to be sad? are kept in the cage, when they're not free, do you think so they like it? No, right? So Kaka said, I need to take everyone out from this gloomy town. This is the gloomy town. Everyone is sad here. Nobody is happy here. We need to go to a happier place, to a beautiful place where everyone is free. They are free to do whatever they want. They can go wherever they want. And they all are very happy. On this note, show me your happy faces. Let me see who can smile the widest here. Who has brushed their teeth today? And let me see whose smile is the widest here. Wow, I can see some amazing smiles all around. Lovely. Superb. So Kaka said, I need to take all the birds out of this gloomy town and take them to this beautiful, happier town, the Joy Town. Now, who wants to go to the Joy Town? Everyone? If you want to go, just raise your hand. Just do like this or just show a thumbs up. Mihir is super excited to go. Adya, Madhav, Priyanshi, Amash, Talisa, Pooja, Durga. Everyone is excited to go to Joy Town. Who wants to go there? Come on, show me a thumbs up if you want to go there. Yes? So Kaka decided, let me take everyone from here and let's go to Joy Town where everyone is free to do whatever they want and they can simply be themselves. Isn't that cool? Yes? So then Kaka went to Sally, it went to Polly, it went to Pushkar, and slowly he took all the birds from their places and he quietly took everyone to Joy Town where everyone was free to do whatever they want. They were free to fly wherever they wanted. Sally could go out in the bright sun. Polly could fly. It no longer had to be in the cage. And Peacock, Pushkar, could fly and remove his feathers and start dancing. And even our Kaka was free to fly high up in the sky. If people don't want him, it's okay, right? He can totally freely fly away wherever he wants, right? So let's go to Joy Town, everyone. So Kaka freed all the birds and he took all the birds to Joy Town. Okay? So now tell me, what according to you is your role to make sure that these birds are free? What can you do to free these birds?
I want to jail them.
Okay. You want to jail those people who want to take them in? Okay. Anyone else? What is your superpower that you can use to free all the birds and animals and protect them? What can we do? Anyone? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हमारा क्या रोल है?
Ma'am,
Yes, Madhav?
I can help them, the animals, by cutting off the ropes if they get trapped by the hunters. Ma'am, I have something to show you.
You can cut the rope.
Didi, to feel her happy.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have something to show.
Yes, Madhav. We'll see that in a minute. Okay. I think you're showing a flag, which is amazing. I can see an Indian flag, Madhav. Beautiful.
Saffron, blue, chakra, white and green.
And the chakra in the center. Very nice. So, it is our responsibility to make sure that if somebody is putting these birds in the cage, we can at least tell them and request them, then don't put the birds in the cage. Yes, even they are free to fly and be in their homes, right? Do we like to be locked up in a room? No, right? So the nature, the environment is the bird's house, right? So will they like it if we lock them in one corner or we don't let them be themselves? If we don't let them be, right? Okay, everyone, remove your wings. Show me your wings. Let's fly together. Come on. Fast, 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 very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast, very fast. Slow, very slow, very, very, very slow, very slow, very slow. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, 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 very, 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 very slow, slow, very slow, very slow. Fast, 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 fast. See, it's such a big joy to fly. Even we are enjoying. So look at the birds. Even they want to have some fun and enjoy and fly up
I
high.
can see.
So now, though everyone is on mute right now, but I'm going to be saying something and all of you will repeat after me. Okay? You can scream at the top of your voice and be as excited as you can, keeping on yourself on mute only. It's okay if you're mute. It's fine. Okay? Ready, everyone? Are you ready? Just show a thumbs up if you're ready. Yes? Perfect. I am happy.
I'm happy.
Yes. Excited. Come on. I want full josh. Okay. I am happy. I am free. I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am smiling. Come on, show me your smiles. Okay, great. At the count of 3 now, I want to hear who can laugh the loudest. Okay, let me hear who can laugh the loudest. Unmute yourself, everyone. Unmute yourself. I'm going to be counting till 3. Okay, let me see. Let me see who can laugh the loudest here. Ready, everyone, for the challenge? Yes? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Now, at least let's promise to ourselves that we will protect our nature, our birds, our animals, because even they deserve to be happy and to be free. Yes? Agree with me? Yes? Maybe? No? Do you promise? Yes, everyone? Perfect. Mohammad Ehsan Alam, yes, perfect. Anish, Priyanshi, Anita, Madhav, Bharti, perfect.
दीदी मैं